The only request I have to the media as well, please question the Congress government. Why was there no inquiry? Why was there no commission on SLBC tunnel collapse where 8 people have died and still dead bodies have not been found out, dug up? Why was there no commission when Vattem pump house was submerged and hundreds of crores of public money was wasted? Why was there no commission when the retaining wall in Sunkishala had collapsed? Why was there no commission when Peddavagu project had been washed away twice in Congress government? This shows that both BJP and Congress are complicit. They are working hand in hand, and therefore no NDSA, National Dam Safety Authority, will question the Congress government. The SLBC tunnel collapse will not be questioned. Polavaram, where 7,000 crores have been wasted, which is being built by CWC, no NDSA will go and question it. The target is only BRS. Congress and BJP both are targeting the BRS party, and especially our leaders Harish Rao Garu and KCR Garu, and they are trying every trick in the book and they are playing dirty politics. But the people of Telangana are smarter than both Congress and BJP, and they will teach them a befitting lesson whenever the occasion arises. We believe in fighting democratically. We will continue to fight legally. We will also continue to fight politically to save the world's largest lift irrigation project called Kaleshwaram, which is a crown jewel for Indian irrigation ecosystem, which is an engineering marvel, where we are literally lifting a river called Godavari and ensuring that this water reaches the parched lands of Telangana, which have been waiting for the last 50-60 years. I hope we have been able to answer all questions today on the floor of the House. If there are any other questions, we'll certainly take it up in days to come. We will sit together as a party. We'll decide the future course of action कि क्या करना है, क्या आगे इस फाइट को कैसे आगे लिया जाए. Thank you.